Yes, you most definitely can still have chips while eating healthily. Whether you're following Slimming World or another diet plan, today I'm going to show you how you can make Slimming World chips. So you're going to want to get yourself some starchy potatoes. Now today I'm using King Edward's, but you can also use Maris Pipers as well. You're going to want to peel those and chop them up into chip shapes. Then in a pan of cold water, lightly season it with salt. Add your chips to the pan and you want to bring them to a boil and boil them for 5 minutes. Then you're going to drain the water out and let them steam dry and try and get them as dry as possible. Pop a lid onto the pan, rough them up a little bit, and this is what is going to give you the crispiness of your chips. Then on a baking sheet pop some grease-proof paper, spray this with low-calorie cooking spray and sprinkle out your chips. Once again, spray your chips with low-calorie cooking spray. Then you want to pop that into a hot oven at 200 degrees Celsius, that is fan, for 30 minutes. Now you can enjoy these chips plain, but I'm going to show you 3 more toppings and seasonings that you can make them even more delicious. We've got rosemary, chili and garlic, paprika and onion. For the paprika and onion, you need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. For the rosemary, you just need 2 teaspoons of rosemary. Chili and garlic, you will need 2 teaspoons of chili flakes and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Now whatever seasoning you did decide on, you want to sprinkle this over once you have sprayed the chips with low-calorie cooking spray and cook it exactly the same. And if you enjoyed this video, you're going to want to check out this one because you want something to dip your chips in, right?